was a massive fail. Okay. So obviously I'm not good at being a ninja, but let's look at chemistry. Okay. So I have a proposition for you. More of a question. You think chemistry is a drag, right? It's pointless, it's useless, and it's simply just a time to fall asleep at school. How do I know this? Because I've been there. And I bet you anything, most people have. But I have something very interesting that I think you should know. And I think you're going to find this really, really cool. Well, you might. I find it cool. I don't know if you will. I do. Okay. Chemistry, it might be your time to go to sleep at school. But maybe you should think about paying attention. Are you planning on being in college? Do you want a family and a career? Not that chemistry has to do with a family, but I'm just saying, do you want a career and a family? Well, chemistry might be able to help you out in that college and career field right there. How? Well, there are a lot of jobs that involve chemistry, and it's pretty cool because if you watch NCIS, Abby, she uses chemistry, and she's using a forensic science, which involves chemistry, obviously. I've already said that multiple times. But I'm just trying to get it stuck in your head because it's proven that repetition makes things stick. Alright, so Abby uses forensic science, and there's an example of how forensic science can help you in life. Because if you're gonna go into being a, forensic science person and working for the CIA or the NCIS or FBI or any of those things, I mean, it's going to help you because if you're going to be their scientist, you need to be able to say this, this, and this, and this, and everything falls back on this. If that makes any sense. It did in my head. Okay. So, you have to be able to sit there and say, look, these are important things to understand and to know. Well, there are other jobs other than forensic science that involve doing chemistry, such as ethnobotany, environmental law, patent law, technical writing, pharmaceuticals, oceanography, software design, space exploration, government policy, forensic science, as stated about the Abby situation right there, biotechnology, metallurgy, I don't know how that's actually pronounced, I think I said it right, ceramics industry, plastic industry, paper industry, medicine and teaching, chemical engineering, geochemistry, agrochemistry, and military systems. Well, do any of those sound interesting to you? Because if they do, you should start taking chemistry seriously. Or at least, you should just know some chemistry. Because I don't know if you really need chemistry for a lot of chemistry to do all of those things. But you should keep your grades up because it's a good idea. Whether you're going to do any of these or not, you just should do it because it's good for graduation. It will look good for college too. Just saying. So if you're planning to go to college, I would suggest that you do this because it will look good on an application. But let me guess, you're looking at the medicine thinking, well, no duh, it's used there. But do you even understand why or even how? Because in high school, chemistry will teach you a level of basics. But once you move on to college, you're going to learn more. So you want those basics now before you have to go on and learn even more and not know the basics. And if you're even planning to go to college and be like a doctor or a pharmacist or anything else that is involved with medicine, you're going to want to know chemistry because chemistry is part of how they create the pills that your parents or grandparents or whoever else that you're related to or friends with might take. Or when you do a surgery and they give you OxyContin for it. That was created using chemistry. So, I hope I've gotten you all to really, really focus and think about how you should start paying attention in chemistry. And that is all.